This is a fire alert message. A fire has been reported in the building. Leave the building by the nearest fire exit and wait in the designated area for further instructions. Do not use elevators. Use stairs instead.
Hi guys, this is system test 4, my bedroom and bathroom fire alarm system. I've also added a ESP red bedroom sounder to my bathroom, and I've changed the tone on this sounder in here to continuous, so both sounders are on continuous. I've won on eBay a Faraday 6304B-14-24 horn and strobe, and it's got a red strobe on it, and I've also bid on a Simplex and an Edwards pull station on eBay as well, but I'll get more information on those, that's if I win them. Now the horn will take a while to get over here because it's coming from America and I am in the UK. Alright, apart from the sounder in my bathroom and the change of tone in this room on the sounder, I haven't changed anything else. Alright, so I'm going to get on with the system test. Now the first device I'm going to test is my cool point, and I should go across the bed so I can get to it without walking in front of the camera. Alright, I've got a inflatable break glass unit piece here, and I'm going to set it off now. Put the key in the bottom, by the way. I've forgotten what make this is, by the way, because this isn't ESP as the rest of my system is. And here goes. Alright. I've reset the system. I'm now going to break the glass and replace it that way. And here goes. Okay, that's the cool point done for the system test. I shall next do the optical smoke detector in this room. Now can I say the smoke detector in this room and the heat detector in my bathroom can actually be swapped over and will work. But obviously I don't want to have that detector in my bathroom due to the shower could set it off. And I shall go and set it off with like a hairspray because my actual smoke spray has run out when I was setting the system up. And here goes. Before I do it, this is the spray I'll be using. Right, here goes. Okay. Red light or LEDs on, depending on what you want to say. See there? It's actually the LED to be more precise. I'm going to blow it through. If you have a look, there's a load of wires in there, if you can see. Okay. Right, I've turned the system off and turned it back on, and it's now reset. Yeah, so I should now go in the bathroom and cut the video and do the heat detector and show you the sounder working in the bathroom as well. But just realising there again, can I remind you? Okay, so I'm going to cut the video now. Okay, I'm back in my bathroom with the red bedroom sounder. It's actually an FM red bedroom sounder. don't know what the FM stands for. Now the system is running at 18 volts DC. And I should now go and set the heat detector off with my hairdryer, and here goes. Okay, I'm going to go in my bedroom and I'm going to set it. Then I'm going to set the system off again with a cool volume so you can hear it once again. Imagine what the point of that is, but just showing you that I can set it off by other devices. Alright, that's the testing part of my system finished. Yeah, because I've tested every device. I've tested both sounders, both detectors, and that heat detector there and the optical smoke detector in my bedroom, and I've also tested the manual cool point. Now I'm planning to put the horn and strobe where the bedroom sounder in here is. I might have to make a faceplate for it. Not a faceplate, I mean a mounting plate. It's made by Hussein Bedsign, whatever that is. Some sort of make. Sorry if I didn't read it right, I'm trying to read it on my camcorder. Alright, yeah, so that'll be the end of my system test really for now. So if you have any questions or want to know anything, or just think there's anything I left out of the video, then post me a comment or a video response. And yeah, so this is system test 4, and before I end the video again, I'll just say that it runs on 18 volts DC, and that I haven't got anything I can think off the top of my head at the moment. So until later, I'll see you later.